This is the peak. We are going to usher in the artist, the man that we all gathered here to honor today. No other one than our own very best. Our very best in Ireland. Our very best in Europe. Our very best in the world. Onye Ireland Jemonu. Chief Mazi Dr. Sir Reggae Messiah. We are going to usher him in. Please, 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 please. I want us to bring down the roof of this house today. The walls will shake. Reggae is coming. Reggae will be because reggae is here living with us. We don't know his words. But we want to show the world today whom Reggae Messiah is. Our portray here to the world. Let us do that now. If you want to stand, if you want to dance, break the table, break the chairs, turn around the bottles, everything, as we usher him in. DJ,